Welcome to selecting data in the Data View Editor. Here is a quick video to get you started. The Select screen is where you choose the data to use in your visualizations. Click the drop-down arrow to view or hide the data table options, which are displayed here. Use the search option to find tables quickly. Click the checkbox beside each table name to choose specific tables, or select them all by clicking the box beside the data source name. Once you've selected a table, the fields are displayed in the content pane to the right, listing the field name, source name, and data type. Click the box beside the field name to select them all, or add fields individually by clicking in the box beside each field. Click the Preview tab to view a sample of the data in the fields. You're now ready to define and customize your data model. Thank you for watching. For more help, please visit help.astrato.io.